Marriage of Figaro is very glamorous and a must-see.
Really interesting, really dramatic, funny.
Wastad yn meddwl bod yn ffantastig. Ti'n neud rhywbeth i'r dy berson di.
Yeah, I thought it was really enjoyable.
The performance is really good. The singers singing the entire time, very impressive.
I really enjoyed the costumes and how sparkly the Countess's dress was in the second act. It was just amazing.
I thought it was really, really good. It was kind of timeless in a way, that the drama was very sort of modern and a little bit theatrical.
This is my first time going to see the opera, and I thought it was brilliant. Much more comedic. I laughed way more than I thought I would.
It just seemed like they kept making fun of the upper classes, which I thought was like a piece of satire. The dramatics of all really tied it together, and it was just really good.
I haven't seen an opera before, and I think that was like a really good introduction to opera. I would recommend more people come see the Marriage of Figaro, definitely.